Ready?
Ready?
You shoot over to the left. I'll cover your left.
That's
And
an
then you
echo.
Sound like a plan? We've got this guy on the right, and then we've got two paladins.
300 people in here.
It's right.
Where do we want to go?
Yeah, well, he's going to be right there. I just want you to.
We'll go back one.
Yeah, back one? Tall one. All right, yeah.
Welcome to shared cover.
Yeah, that doesn't even have nearly enough range to get close to anyone.
This thing has range. I just don't know if... Ooh!
Oh, that's the camera guy. Never mind. That sounds awesome.
We're gonna Prometheus fight.
I'll try. It's kind of the goal. Ooh. Oh, how'd that happen? Did I get you? Sweet. Huh. Having magazine problems. Ah! Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
God, that's absurd.
One of these magazines isn't feeding. Yeah, that one's empty. Weird. Where are they all? Are they all in the back there? Got a couple up at... We're pushed pretty far forward. I'm moving up. Ah, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Got you. Do blaster hits count or not? Do blaster hits count or not? Drac! I don't know.
Luke.
Drac! I don't know. I am having magazine problems. I'm only firing 2 darts. Because 2 of my magazines are empty.
Alright. Right here, Luke. Right here. Woo! Gotcha.
Oh! I need. Ooh. Ah, hit! I'm dead. Pretty sure that was my last life. And that's the game. We did go on to win that round, which was great. As you could tell from the video, I was having all sorts of jamming issues. Practically everything that could jam did jam, which was unfortunate. I fixed some of the issues since then, but I've still got more to work on. And I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have a couple more of these gameplay videos to edit. I've got one from the stock, one or two from the stock battles, and then maybe one more modded one. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.